right, let's look at those problems together. Okay, so we have number 1, 302 times 17. So you should have stacked it with 302 on top because it has the most digits in the number, and lined up 17 underneath. Oh. All right, so here we go. What is 7 times 2, 5th grade?
That is 14.
14. So we carry the 1, bring down the 4. Then we would take 7 times 0, which is
0.
Plus 1 is
1.
1. 7 times 3 is 21. So we'd write 21. Then I'm going to come up here and just cross out any numbers I had to borrow or move over. Then I'm going to add my placeholder 0 since we're now going to the next place, which is our 1. What is 1 times 2? 2. 1 times 0?
0.
0. 1 times 3?
3.
3. And then we add our partial products. 4, 3, 1, 5. You should have gotten 5,134 for number 1. Then we have number 2. Number 2, you should have, when stacking them, put 280 on top because it has the most digits. Then lined up 66 below. Add our multiplication sign and our line. What is 6 times 0, 5th grade?
0.
0. What's 6 times 8?
48.
48. So we would carry the 4. Bring down the 8. 6 times 2 is?
12.
Plus 4?
16.
16. Cross out the 4 I put up here. Add my placeholder 0. 6 times 0 is?
0.
6 times 8 is?
48.
48. Carry my 4. Bring down the 8. 6 times 2 is?
12.
Plus 4?
16.
16. We're going to add. You're totally right. 8 and 0 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. We'd carry the 1, bring down the 4. 6, 7, 8, 1. 18,480 for number 2. Now let's look at the last 3 together. So for number 3, 505 is what we should have put on top because it has the most digits. Line up 77 underneath. Multiplication sign and our line. What is 7 times 5? Addie?
35.
35. Carry our 3, bring down our 5. What's 7 times 0, 5th grade?
0.
Plus 3 is?
3.
3. 7 times 5 is? 35. Nice. Going to cross out that 3 I put up there. You guys are doing great. Let's keep it up. Waiting for voices. We would add our placeholder 0 since we're moving on to the next place. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 0 is 0. Plus our 3 is 3. 7 times 5 is 35. Yeah, same thing as the last one. It's like we just added a 0 on the end. So this would be 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8, and 3. So you should have gotten 38,885. 2 more. We're almost there. And remember, if you didn't get to these last ones, you should still be writing down the work as I go. Okay. Number 4. We should have written 302 first because it has the most digits on. We should have put that on top. Lined up 30 underneath. Add our multiplication symbol in our line. 0 times 2 is? 0. 0 times 0 is?
0.
And 0 times 3 is?
0.
Nice. That was easy. Then we add our placeholder 0. 3 times 2 is? 6. 3 times 0 is?
0.
3 times 3 is?
9.
9. We're going to pause our recording for a second. Oh, wow. Okay. It's recording? It is. Okay. And we're back. Okay. Now we add. All right. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. And then we bring down our 9. 9,060. Nice. Silly mistake, I'm telling you. If you go too fast, you make that silly mistake. All right, then we've got number 5. All right, so for number 5, 108 should have gone on top because it has the most digits. We should have lined up 34 underneath, added our multiplication sign, and our line. What is 4 times 8? 32. Carry our 3, bring down our 2. 4 times 0 is?
0.
Plus 3 is 3. 4 times 1 is? 4. Cross out the 3 that I carried up top. Add placeholder 0. What is 3 times 8?
Oh, that is
24. So I'm going to carry the 2. Bring down the 4. What's 3 times 0?
0.
Plus 2.
2.
And what is 3 times 1? 3. We add them up, add our partial products up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then we have our 3. So you should have gotten 3,672. All right, so 5th grade, before I tell you your homework, you're going to kind of tell me your level of understanding blind. So what you're going to do is put your heads down. Put your heads down, close your eyes. Put your heads down and close your eyes.
I'm going to put my mask on.
Well, no, don't cover your mask. Only should cover your nose and your mouth, not your eyes. So close your eyes and put your head down. All right, when I say go, you're going to show me on your hand your level of understanding for the problems you just did. Remember, a 1 is the same as even with help, I still don't understand. Number 2 is I'm starting to get it, but I'm still confused. Number 3 is I can do this with help or with an example in front of me. Number 4 is I can do this on my own. And number 5 is I'm very confident with this. I could teach someone how to do this. So when I say go, you're going to show me. Keep your eyes closed. Go ahead. Show me on your hand. 1 through 5, how are we feeling about this? 1 through 5. Hands down. Hands down. And then open your eyes. Okay, so we are going to open up to our homework pages for tonight so that you can circle the problems. So you are going to open up to page 135. Open up to 135. And 135. I still see some people opening up their workbooks to page 135. All right, here are the numbers you're going to circle. Number 5.
Oh, it already has like the boxes.
No. Number 7. Number 8. Number 10. And number 13. So I'm going to repeat it one more time. You should have circled number 5, number 7, number 8, number 10, and number 13. I'm going to put on some work music, and you're going to use this work time for your homework. Capiche?
Capiche.
Go ahead.